Just got a little trick for when you're doing your door hardware on cavity sliders. It can be really difficult to locate this end striker here when this comes in because it's quite hard to mark it, right? So, and it's critical that this ends up in the right place. So what you do is get a bit of the Mrs. Lipstick and you just chuck it on the end here. Right, and then shut the door and make sure you get enough of it on there and try that again. Got to get a decent amount on there. Close it up and then you've got your mark there. So that when you throw your striker on, you've actually located it properly. Or get KiwiCraft to do it.